In the last years, the world has undergone major transformations. Technology has evolved and bring a new lifestyle to us. Computers, smartphones, artificial intelligence. Think about how your life has changed in recent years. Social networks has changed the way we communicate with our friends. Computers have made it easier to do our business. And artificial intelligence is accelerating processes and simplifying everything. But a new technology will bring about an even greater change in my life, in your life, and in the way we do business. I'm talking about a new technology called blockchain. This is a bold statement, but remember that even though it is a new technology, blockchain technology is also the continuation of human history. Let's understand how this works. Let's see how blockchains will revolutionize the global economy. If we think about how things worked thousands of years ago, people only did business within their own villages because they only did business with people they knew. Knowing a person was synonymous with trust. If I trust you, I can do business with you. But as societies evolved, trade routes grew, and we began to do business with other cities and countries. But how do you do business with someone you don't know? It was then that we saw the need to create several institutions to mediate these commercial operations. I'm talking about banks, governments, or companies. These institutions helped us expand trade, and the world became globalized, with countries trading with each other. And then we put these institutions online on the internet, and now anyone, anywhere in the world can do business, can buy or sell, using the internet and some intermediary service. For example, we build e-commerce websites like Amazon, and this was only possible because we found a way to solve the problem of insecurity, of doing business with people we don't know. Creating an intermediary like a bank or a company solved this problem. But now we no longer need intermediaries because now we have this new technology called blockchain. But what is a blockchain? Blockchain technology is a decentralized database that stores all records of assets and transactions in a peer-to-peer network. It's basically a public record of who owns what and who trades what. Transactions are secure due to encryption. It's as if mathematical codes confirmed everything, providing guarantees and security for all parties. Blockchain creates an immutable and unforgeable record. This record is replicated on all computers on the network. It is not an application. It's not a company. It's completely decentralized. There are other technical details, but in essence, this is how it works. It is a public record that stores transactions on a network, ensuring certainty, authenticity, and security. This means that many economic activities can be automated, eliminating institutions such as banks, governments, and companies. So, there are three big problems with doing business with people we don't know, not knowing who we are negotiating with. It's trustable, no visibility into the transaction. This will happen, not being able to protect yourself if something goes wrong. What is my guarantee? And human beings have always tried to solve these problems to carry out commercial transactions. The way we found to solve these problems was to add a third party to the process, an intermediary, like a bank. But now blockchains can solve these problems and eliminate the need for an intermediary. And thus we have solved these three problems. Trust. We don't necessarily need to know who we are negotiating with because everything can be resolved with computer mathematical contracts, which work in an automated way. We don't trust people, but we trust mathematics. 2 + 2 will always be 4. Visibility. Blockchains are public and all transactions can be verified. We can follow everything that happens step by step. Seeing everything that happens makes us calm and brings more credibility to processes and businesses. Guarantee. Blockchains allow us to sign contracts between individuals and guarantee compliance with those contracts. If someone does not fulfill their part, the contract is not executed. But I don't want you to get the impression that blockchains are the solution to everything. This technology is in its infancy, and we still have a lot to evolve. There are many people working on this, from financial institutions to large technology companies, startups, and universities. We still have a lot to improve, but I think we need to start preparing ourselves because we are close to a new world where business will be done in a whole new way. Maybe you watched this video and didn't understand anything, but if you don't understand, don't worry. How many of us understand how the internet works? Actually, few understand it, but everyone uses the internet every day, right? And soon this will happen with blockchains. Almost no one will understand how they work, but everyone will use them. And blockchains will transform the way we do business, and they will revolutionize the global economy. And we at Decimal Chain are part of this story. We're building a fast, easy-to-use blockchain that anyone can use at any time. To find out more about our project, visit our website decimalchain.com. And see you in the next video.